here. Just got into a short, a little after 10 o'clock, and we are using two indicators to decide on this trade. And trading is risky. You probably will lose money. Trade at your own risk. All right. So the top indicator is the Maverick AI Pro. That is what is coloring your background here. It is coloring your candles. It is giving you up and down signals. And we were coming up since, I don't know, 6 o'clock. It was kind of sideways before then, I think. We've been coming up since 6 o'clock on CL, which is oil. And 10 o'clock came, and boy, did we just start coming down. And that can happen a lot, even without news. Seems like 10 o'clock, 9:45, those times are just kind of volatile and with certain futures. So jumped into this trade. We went from bright green, which is our strongest, literally our strongest up bar, bright green, to gray in a very, very quick fashion. And gray means kind of can be a change in direction, or it can just be like, caution, I don't know if we're going to keep going up. And we came down and we jumped in here, and you can see we're already up like 800 on this trade, 700. We now have a red candle, which is your second strongest down candle, so red candle, and a down arrow keeps popping in and out. Okay, so this indicator calculates on tick, which means it's going to constantly monitor, are we going up, are we going down, the formulas that are in it. It's a pretty awesome formula we have going on, and then we did R&D and refined it with artificial intelligence. And I find myself never trading without the Maverick AI Pro. It's just such a staple. It has helped me greatly. Just give clear vision of the trend. You can see like we were going up since 6 o'clock. It was green, and then we only had one bar of down, of red, and then it went back to green. And if you don't have this stuff, I have a hard time seeing that. So Maverick AI Pro. We were coming up all the way up to 10 o'clock. We had a big bar down, turned gray. Now we got red. If we get pink, I'm going to get very happy, because pink is your most powerful down candle on the Maverick AI Pro indicator. We say if it's pink, it's going to sink, or potentially, most likely, it will sink. The probability is definitely there. There's a little pink. All right, let's go. So our background is now red. We got red bars. We were getting some down arrows. I'm going to just move this up to a break even here. And never mind if you can hear my dog walking around in the background. She's like pacing back and forth next to me. I think she's nervous on this trade. I don't know. And then if you look down below, our Maverick Multi-X, and the Maverick Multi-X is in this bottom panel here. It's all the red squares you see down there. Now, what is that? If you've never seen one of our videos before, I'll quickly explain it. If you have, you can just, I guess, fast forward through this part. It'll take me 30 seconds to explain it. But essentially what you're looking at is you're looking at 6 different time frames, and I have these on pretty fast time frames today. I have it set to the 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3, the 5, the 10, and the 15. And each square, each block is a different formula. So F1, F2, F3, F4, F5. You see that? Each time frame has 5 formulas on it that are looking to go, are we going up or are we going down? And they're all pretty independent of each other. So I want you to think about that. Look at the 1 minute chart. The 1 minute chart, the 1 minute, see all the blocks? It says 1 minute, and then you have F1 through F5. This is all red. So 5 formulas are all pretty independently looking at the 1 minute chart and saying, looks like we're going to keep going down, or we're trending down. Then the 2 minute, it's 5 formulas are looking at the 2 minute and going, we're probably going to keep going down, or we are going down right now, and so on and so forth. So if you think about it, 6 time frames, 5 formulas per time frame, 5 blocks per time frame. You got 30 formulas going, we're probably going to go down. So that's powerful because now I don't need 6 charts in front of me. I don't need 6 monitors in front of me. Me personally, maybe you do, maybe you like that. It's just not my thing. So now, at a glance, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 time frames, 5 formulas per time frame saying we're probably going down. And it's just nice to see that all in one glance because I want to focus on trading. I don't want to focus on 8 million monitors and stuff. Okay. All right. So we're starting to get pink here. We got the red background. We're below our cloud. I don't know if you can see that, but we got a red cloud there. So we went from bright green to gray to red to pink. I mean, that's kind of picture perfect. It's almost 10:15. And we'll see where this trade goes. I'm at break even plus a tick, just eyeballing it plus a tick to pay for commissions, or just it's always a good, like, even if you're trading an eval, if you're trying to get past an Apex account or past a Top Step, like, always get in the habit of going to, this would be my recommendation of going to break even plus a tick or two and just cut, like, protect your capital, pay for your commission, and, like, let that puppy go. Not, you don't want to give a lot back, but right now, if you didn't have these indicators, you'd be like, ooh, we're gonna stall out here. Ooh, what's going on the higher time frame? Ooh, what's happening, right? But you have all these formulas. You got a pink candle, which is the strongest down candle you can have on the Maverick AI Pro. You have a red background. You're underneath your cloud. Your Maverick Multi-X, that panel at the bottom, it's all red. 30 formulas. The 1 minute, the 2 minute, the 3, the 5, the 10, the 15, they're all red. I'm like pretty confident that we're either going to stall right here and then chop around, or we're just going to keep going down. But again, anything can happen at any time. Trading is risky. Most traders lose money. So, the news could hit and it could fly, whatever. But we're on one stinking contract of CL, one contract, and we're already up at $1,000. And now you have a down arrow. Now you have the pink candle. I mean, hello, you're red completely on your Maverick Multi-X. This is like kind of textbook perfect, um, to say the least. Okay, so we're driving down. We're at 1,300, one contract, totally protected. We have our stop loss a tick above our break even. No, we wouldn't want to give back, $1,000 or $1,200 in profit on a trade ever. But hey, so let's let this thing keep going down until I start seeing green on the 1 minute, because that's your fastest indicator, right? That's your fastest chart. I mean, your 1 minute chart is your fastest chart. Well, I guess you could have a 30-second chart or whatever, but you get what I mean. And when those 5 formulas start going, ooh, we're starting to go up. Ooh, we're starting to give you green. Those boxes will turn green, and then I'm going to have caution. But until then, as long as I'm solid red, and I got a pink Maverick AI Pro candle, and I'm below the cloud, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So now you did chop around at this area a little bit earlier. So we'll just keep our eyes out on that. We're going to keep our eyes peeled. And I'll probably start moving up my stop pretty soon here. But anyway, I will, if this trade lasts a really long time, I will just, like, speed it up in when I, cut it up for YouTube. So you don't have to sit here with me for the next, 3 hours watching a trade, even if it's profitable. Like, nobody has time for that. So, all right, I'm going to leave my chart up. I'm going to keep recording this and we'll see where it goes. All right, so there's we're starting to hit this resistance area here that I just drew out. It's pretty strong. It's pretty strong. So I'll probably move up my stop loss so I don't get caught in this crazy bounce up and give back, um, a winning trade, right? So we're still red completely on our Maverick Multi-X, but I am going to play it safe because, hey, it doesn't go forever, right? So we got to play this thing smart. So I'm going to move my stop loss up here shortly, but I still have a pink candle on the Maverick AI Pro. I'm still solid red on my Maverick Multi-X, that panel below, and golly, on one contract. Pretty awesome. So let me move this sucker up and let's make sure that we don't, you know, you don't want to give the whole thing back. All right. So we could be in this thing all day. I have no idea. Listen, if you are interested in the Maverick AI Pro, which is the top indicator, coloring your candles and giving you the background color and all this stuff, giving you a good heads up. Or if you're interested in the Maverick Multi-X, which is that panel down below, which is looking at 6 different time frames, telling you what's going on each of them, to give you that probability, that certainty while you're trading. Feel free, go to maverickindicators.com. Check out both indicators. We have a monthly option if you just want to give it a try. We have a lifetime option, which can save you money, and you get some pretty cool bonuses if you do that. But anyway, go to maverickindicators.com, and we'll get you straightened out.